That door's never open, love.
Oi! New kid.
All right, Billy.
Didn't think you'd come. Come here. You've just moved into New Road, right? Portland Road, Think you're tough enough for it?
For what?
You know what? To keep your place. In our place.
Our place.
No weak links in a village like us.
Weak links, none.
If you are, it'll eat you up.
Right up.
Spit you out.
Right out.
If you want to have your feet up on the tables, you prove you can pick your own feet up first.
On the tables.
Skinny, for Christ's sake, will you shut up, man?
Yeah, shut up, Skinny.
So, you doing it, Bat?
Doing what? You said you'd show me around to make me a Bwl Boy.
Not yet.
Gotta show you can manage a place like this first. Agree you do what we've all done. And then you're in.
I'll do it. When? Hey! Hey!
Where are you from?
Huh?
Where are you from?
Why?
Don't recognise you. Oi! Oi, stop!
Oi! Clinker! Your dad sells Avon!
Oh, these bloody Bwl Boys!
Is that it?
Huh?
Is that it?
Dunno.
Was this always the plan?
It was! You did good!
I know!
They're still coming!
Give it space, boys.
Yeah, put your weapons down as well.
Ricky! Hiya, Ricky.
Hey, Harriet.
These your mates from school? You right, guys?
Yeah,
thanks.
You're Tom's brother, aren't you? Tom, one up, one down?
Yeah.
Tell him I said hello, all right?
Yeah, all right.
Ah, there we are then, guys. I'll see you around. Ricky, tell your mum it's still all right for you to come up for tea, all right?
All right, bye.
Bye.
Why's your brother called one up, one down?
Has a limp.
Fair enough.
We doing here?
You all right? Ricky, you want to start, mate?
Who's Ricky?
I am.
It's a Bwl Boy now, isn't it?
So, what we playing?
Gang tag.
Tidy.
Don't change, do it.
No.
To think you lot will ever win a game.
You what?
You heard.
Hey, you lot never beat us, okay?
Oh, cheers.
Bloody Bwl Boys.
Bloody Bwl Boys.
Watch out!